Hopefully this will be the shortest video in this series yet. Good news. One of these is coming to me. Herbivore, shout out. Thank you. They are sending me a free one because this one broke. I am really hungover. If you watched the previous video, you probably can imagine how I'm feeling today. So, with that said, let's do this. Girl, wash your face, take care of your skin, and when you're hungover, join the Bloody Mary Club. I'll leave a link to this cute shirt. It's also on the back. I feel like I started a new club with this. Oh, what do you do for your hangovers? I'm gonna look really cute right now because I'm just throwing this back. I usually sleep like crap. I usually don't drink enough water, and I'm usually not very hungry. And that's exactly what today has become. I need water so bad. My skin feels a little dry. Yesterday I did sit outside with Jackie at the pool. So I feel that I took a step backwards. Frank just took a dive off the deep end there. I feel like I took a step backwards with my skin. I've been really trying to cut out alcohol. I'm not a huge drinker, meaning like cocktails anymore, just because I get really bad hangovers. But we decided to have a few Vizzies at the pool. And if you've not had a Vizzy, you need to try it. They're way better than White Claws. And a lot of people just don't know about them. I'm not doing my chest right now because I'm wearing this t-shirt and I didn't feel like changing. So, definitely had too many of those. I have a headache right about here. Feeling a little rough, not gonna lie. When I have a hangover, I try to sleep, but I feel like I just toss and turn because I can't sleep because I'm so like uncomfortable. And then it's like you don't want to sleep all day because then you're not going to sleep at night. So I forced myself just to stay up. And so today I have not accomplished very much. Not like I would normally. So I did not need to attend Sunday Fun Day. But it is so much fun. But also, is it worth feeling like this? So, here we are. Day, I don't know. I feel so excited that this is all I have left. And no matter how I feel, I'm not missing this. I'm determined. I'm not gonna miss a day. I'm gonna show up. But you can tell, like, I'm dehydrated. Like, you can just see it. So let's just rip this out quick, be done with it. Frank's in his kitty box, taking care of business. My plant is, I've been trying to rotate it because if you know anything about palms, it's dying. like my life. Oh, man. I did not even get to the couch before this video, so sorry if the background is a mess. It's been... Yesterday, a monsoon kind of hit us. Kind of. This summer here has not been like normal. I feel like it's been hot, but like we haven't really gotten like monsoon season. But we did have that storm blow in pretty quickly yesterday. And then we had to leave the pool. Let's see if Nakona tries to eat the cat. Step one, bam. And I need to slam a gallon of water really bad. Step 2. Hopefully this will bring some hydration back into my face. I really want this patch to lift. Reese's Pieces, can we not chew on your bone right now? Be sure to hit subscribe because these videos are so great. I feel like I'm like really there. Now I feel a little more in your face today. Oh my Lord. I need to just get through this and I need to go lay on the couch. I don't want to tell you how many drinks I had yesterday because I lost count. Mama, what's wrong, Frank? Frank is my cat. He is pretty B.A. I definitely got some sun yesterday. I feel it on, I'm just gonna rub this on my arms. Almost dry. I have a cat named Frank, Nakona, and Reese. Hi, Bear. What are you doing? She was not coming to me because she does not come when you call her. What are you doing, Bear? At the boat? Bye. Oh, this will be the shortest video ever. And probably the boringest one as well. Sorry, I'm boring today. I do not feel like myself. If you have some great hangover tips, please leave them in the comments below. Cones, please. Oh, Jesus. Sorry, you're gonna stare at her butthole now. Bear, leave Frank alone. They do this all day, every day. Oh man, I need to get Frank a harness so I can take him for walks. Skin is feeling instantly glowing. You can even see it radiating the alcohol out of my pores. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Danny Washes Her Face. Oh, it does feel really good. I have a zoo in here. It's a zoo. We're gonna put some, I'm almost out of this from the other day. I have this little like packet of, I don't even know, black tea eye stuff. Almost done. So basically we're just gonna get ready for bed right now because I need to go to bed. I need to go back to bed. Oh, what did I just do here? I need to go to bed. I can't wait to go to bed. Hopefully I sleep good tonight. I need food too. I hate when I'm hungover because I just don't, like I don't have an appetite. But then tomorrow I'll be like super hungry, you know? All right, this sample is gone, done. I feel like my eye area is just struggling. Still feels good. Thanks for watching.